Oh, sleep.
They asking me what I'm doing, homie, can't you tell that it's real hip-hop? They tell me, do you know that shit's just not hot? Yeah, I know that it's not, but it's still top-notch. That's where real MCs still exist. Watch a motherfucker like me appear from the mist. Hip-hop pairs, put your hands up and follow me. Watch me feature mine, hard through this beat. When I flow, recreate nightmares in your sleep. Call me Freddy fucking Krueger, controlling your dreams. Freeze. The flow got me intoxicated, simulated, talking shit, but that's just me. Tell me what can I do and start killing syllables when I step foot in this bulletproof. Shoot, move or you lose. Clues? None when we back in the scene, killing mics. Spotlights, none, nothing but people wearing mics. Battles, flows, real shit, rocking stages all night.